descent, Ultra Magenta, 4800 Magenta. Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Tripulação, preparar para o pouso.
Flaps 2.
Speed checked. Flaps 2.
Gear down.
Gear down.
2,500.
Checked. Speed selected 160. Final approach.
Checked.
Go around altitude 5500. Set. Manage speed.
Checked.
Flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps 4.
Landing checklist.
Cabin crew.
Advised.
ECAR memo.
Landing no blow.
Landing checklist complete.
Here beginning our final turn. Engine 2 fire. Go around flaps.
Flaps 3.
Manotoga, SRS, go around track.
Checked. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Silence the alarm. Thrust climb, SRS, go around track. Nav blue. Let's maintain heading 155. That is the distract maneuver here. Heading. Connections. Engine 2 fire. Thrust lever 2 idle. Confirm number 2.
Number 2 confirm.
Idle. Engine master 2 off. Confirm number 2.
Number 2 confirm.
Off. Engine 2 fire push button push. Never in MST. Engine 2 fire push button push. Confirm number 2.
Number 2 confirm.
Push. Agent 1 after 5 seconds. Agent 1 discharged. Agent 1 discharged. Let's request vectors to stay near to Galleon. ATC notify. Mayday, mayday, mayday. 9009. Engine 2 fire. Request vectors to Galleon. If fire after 3 seconds, Agent 2 discharge. Agent 2 discharged. Discharged. Vertical speed 0. Let's fly direct to Galleon. Stop gun and flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Activate approach phase.
Approach phase activated.
Let's descend to 1500 to Galleon to make a visual approach on runway 33. Continue gun. Engine mode selector. Ignition. Ignition. If no fuel leak imbalance monitor, gas mode TA. TA. Clear engine 2 fire. Clear engine 2 fire. If buffet max speed 240 knots, cross bleed shut, shut, avoid the acid conditions, clear engine 2,
Clear engine 2.
land as soon as possible red, air bleed. We have only system 1 providing pressure for the system for the airplane. Clear bleed.
Clear bleed.
Electrical. We have generator 1 providing electricity. We have the APU available. Let's start the APU now. Clear electrical.
Clear electrical.
Hydraulics. We have the green pump providing yellow pressure, providing pressure for the yellow pump via BTU. Clear hydraulics.
Clear hydraulics.
Status. Stop a gun. In the normal checklist show system reset. Relight. We do not try the range relight. We are close to Galleon. Then we're gonna make a visual approach on runway 15. We are in open descent and providing heading vectors for the runway 15. Continue. Status avoidance condition. If severe aircraft crash, minimum speed velocity plus standing on green dot, maneuver with care, land easy procedure apply, cat 3 single on. Remove status.
Remove status.
Inoperative system energize, cat 3 dual, engine 2 bleed, back 2, main galley, generator 2, and yellow 2 pump. Remove status.
Remove status.
Connections completed. Activate approach phase.
Approach phase activated.
Flaps 2.
Speed checked. Flaps 2.
Flight plan.
Checked.
Rio de Janeiro. Enable alternate. Galleon. We're gonna arrive via runway 15 using no procedures. Only the runway. In search. We are on a beam of the runway. Let's open a little bit more. Speed selected. 150. The fire is not extinguished. Autopilot off.
Checked.
Flight directors off.
Flight directors off.
Bird on.
Bird on.
45 seconds. Turning base. Manage speed.
Checked.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps 4.
Landing checklist.
Cabin crew.
Advised.
ECAR memo.
Landing no blue.
Landing checklist complete.
And 9009 Mayday, request firefighters on the runway 15 after landing.
400, 300, 200.
We are receiving from the windsock that the wind is slightly from the left.
100.
Let's position the airplane for the fire to not achieve the fuselage.
50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel. 70 knots.
Checked. Let's position the airplane to the wind position here. Parking brake. Atenção, aguarde instruções. 9009, parando pista no 5. Fire not extinguished. Let's build the decision here. We still have fire on the engine 2. Tower, do you see smoke from the right side? Yeah, we see smoke. And the firefighters are seeing smoke too. Let's start evacuation. Aircraft parking brake stop and on. VHF 1, notify 9001. Possibility of evacuation on runway 15. Cabin crew PA alert. Is already alerted. No Delta P. All engine master off. Off. All engine fire push button engine and APU. Fire engine and APU. All engines engine and APU. Not required. If evacuation required, what do you think? We still have fire on engine 2. Okay, let's initiate evacuation. Captain evac push button. Echo Victor, Echo Victor, Echo Victor, Echo Victor.